The owner of an Eastern Shore home health care company is trying to find new creative ways to attract home health care workers to an area that needs them the most.
She also opened her own scrub shop so nurses and home care staff living there wouldn't have to travel to get supplies. Then at your side's Amy Avery has more on why the owner believes this will help the aging population on the Eastern Shore.
Given its remote geography, people living here on the Eastern Shore have limited access to health care, which makes it especially difficult to get help. That's why one company is trying to change that.
He's an ice water person, so we have the ice for him.
Tequinta Ayers currently serves as a personal care aide for 3 people on the Eastern Shore, including her dad.
And where you want to go now?
Ayers has helped dozens of elderly and disabled clients. She helps fix them lunch, cleans up around the house, and makes sure they have everything they need.
They're like your kids, so patience is the key. You have to be able to understand their needs.
Ayers is one of about 300 home health care staff working for Love Thy Neighbor. They employ certified nursing assistants, nurses' aides, and personal care aides to help take care of clients in Hampton Roads and on the Eastern Shore. And the majority of the staff they train on the shore are family members like Ayers, who started out by caring for their loved ones.
What I found out in this field, when you have a stranger come into your home, and they could be the best aide ever, but if that person does not feel comfortable with a stranger coming in the home, it doesn't matter how well that aide perform, the client is not going to feel comfortable and it's not going to be a great outcome.
Founder of Love Thy Neighbor, Michelle Tinner, says she knows that feeling all too well. Her mom, Darlene, had a heart attack several years ago and now suffers from dementia. Michelle was in school at the time and had to stop working because her mom wasn't comfortable with the aides coming in.
That was the reason why I came up with Love Thy Neighbor, because anybody should be treated with dignity and respect, and you should choose who you want to come into your home to provide care for you.
Love Thy Neighbor provides the 40-hour training needed for PCAs to be able to take care of Medicaid recipients. Michelle says there's a big need on the Eastern Shore, and it's a place that's close to her heart.
With the aging population, a lot of people are staying in their home because with the insurance, they're not able to go to the hospital all the time. They're not able to go to a nursing home. So what we do is we provide them with services so they can stay in the home and be safe in the community for as long as possible.
In addition to the services Love Thy Neighbor provides, Tinner also opened her own shop that offers nursing equipment and scrubs of all sizes, including plus sizes, so staff wouldn't have to travel to Maryland or the South Side to get supplies.
I know me personally, I can conquer the world when I have clothes that fit.
Tinner also works to provide continuing education assistance so employees can afford to go back to school.
I believe when God blesses you and puts you in a position to give back, that's what you're supposed to do. So I will always do for Eastern Shore, because all Eastern Shore, the people of Eastern Shore, always been so wonderful to me.
But most of all, she says she's working to create an environment where staff can love their neighbors and ultimately give back to their communities too.
They're just so wonderful, soft. Like, I love them.
Now, in addition to the services they provide, Love Thy Neighbor also works to do community events, and they're always hiring. For more information, just head to wavy.com. Amy Avery, 10 on your side.